Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the Overall Juice Store for sending me this packet of shots. It's ginger, lemon, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. What they didn't realize is this is a part of my regimen every day, so it's going to be much easier now with these packets. All I have to do is add them to my water and stir them up, and they're good to go. Now, what I like about this is just the overall health, that it just makes me feel good during the day after I drink this. I have a very busy day, filming, caregiving, grocery store, shopping, you name it. And I always feel like the turmeric and the ginger and the lemon just give me that extra boost to keep going throughout the day. So I'll show you. They come in these little packets, and there's 15 in this bag, and that's what I like about it. You can mix them up individually. Now what you do, you take 2 ounces of water and you pour the packet in, which I've done already, and you stir it up. And this is 2 ounces of water with my packet in here, and I've stirred it really well. And I absolutely love the taste. It tastes wonderful. Now you can taste the cayenne, so depending on whether you like cayenne or not, this is a great booster for the day. I highly recommend these packets. They are wonderful, and I hope you'll give them a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.